Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand induction cooktop and you're getting an F2 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. And you might notice if you get the F2 error that one or more of your burners will not turn on. And the reason it will not turn on is because the F2 error is an overheating error. So there are a bunch of different error codes for overheating for the Bosch stove, and they correspond to different zones of the stove. So you'll notice when you get an F2, a certain zone of the stove will not turn on. There's nothing wrong with your stove or anything like that. It has simply overheated, and if it gets too hot, it can start to damage the surface or damage the internal components. And so it will automatically shut off to allow itself to cool down. So all you need to do to get things cooled down and working again is just leave it off. Preferably, if you can, just turn everything off. Let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, you'll be able to turn it back on and get going again. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.